Shopify entrepreneurs, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Sorry. Welcome to the video. I go by the name of MrDavinci. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Power by Shopify at the bottom of your Shopify store. Right now, I'm on one of my e-commerce one product stores, and I figured it'd be a good time for me to update y'all because I was actually in the process of doing this. And I said, why not make a video and show you how to do this as well if you're facing this problem. If you have any other ideas that you want me to cover, definitely speak up and let your voice be heard. Leave me a comment below about that so I can accommodate that for you. So I'm just going to move my face icon out the way, throw that to the side right here. So what you're going to want to do is hold on, there we go. So you want to go to where it says online store, and you want to go to, where is it? Oh, right here, Acts. And you're going to come down here to where it says edit languages. Once this loads up, we're going to type in, give it a few seconds here. Just going to set my computer down for a second. There we go. So this is what you should be seeing on your screen right here where it says filter. I'm going to just come in here and type powered, hit enter. And what this is going to do is going to search Shopify on the store. And where we want to scroll down to is right here where it says checkout and system link. Right here it says powered by Shopify. You just got to hit the space bar like that. Go up to save. And it is done. And now when you go to your store, your Shopify store, it'll no longer say that it's powered by Shopify. Before you go, I have a playlist of e-commerce Shopify videos that I've created to help you on your e-commerce journey. You can check that out right here by seeing it pop up on the screen. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel for more tips, tricks, and advanced strategies on how to grow and build your Shopify store. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, I definitely have a bunch of gems that will benefit you greatly. Again, I go by the name of MrDavinci. Speak up, let your voice be heard in the comment section. If you appreciate this type of content, I would appreciate it if you would smash that thumbs up button so that this video can be seen all across the YouTube platform. Check out my playlist right here. It'll be popping up on the screen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care for now.